Uh, Hello. My name is Matt Greenspoon. I am currently taking um, a computer science and software engineering course at Gull Lake. And today I'm going to be showing you some things I've learned that professionals use in the industry while being a Python programmer. I'll be covering hypervisors, picking snapshots, virtual machines, Git Kraken, GitHub, and moving through branches and what all that looks like and merging them. So, starting off, we're going to start with hypervisors. We use Oracle VirtualBox Hypervisor, and I am currently running both of mine, one being Linux and the other one being Windows. Um, this is my most recent snapshot, being before I'm going to being like the before merging gasoline into beta test dev, of which I will be doing today. What I'm taught here at Gull Lake is that every day before we uh, alter our virtual machines or anything like that, we should always take a snapshot, and we do that by doing this. So snapshot 2 dash 20.2025 dash gasoline merge into beta test dev dev vlog. And now we have taken our snapshot, and it will be incubating and just give some time for it to load before it does its thing.
You can access and edit it through here. You can edit the file, but I don't need to edit it whatsoever.
And now it's done. And so what we do with the old one is we delete that one. We don't need it anymore. They take up a lot of space. And now we have our new snapshot. That's how you take a snapshot. So, let's move on. Now, we're going to be heading into Linux, Ubuntu, our virtual machine. And we will be heading to Get Kraken. From here, you can see all of my branches, all of my commits, and basically everything I've been working on for these past few months. And so, let's go through them. So let's start with welcome. This was the first branch we made, and here's one of our early commits. Our very first initial commit. So check this out, and you can see this is what we did at the start. This was at the very start. So then we added a little more to it. We added libraries, while loop and ellipsis. You can see there, libraries, operating system does a little small function where it boots up, starts it to boot up, and then once it's done iterating, then it it prints out a message saying your system is booted up. That's what it does. Then moved a little further into color change, where we added some color, added some comments a little more. So let's check that out. Yep, here it is. Here are those comments. Added some color using the ANSI escape sequences and some comments. And so that's what this looks like. And you can see got color into it. And now, yeah, same thing. Add color. So looking good. Then after that, we merged our welcome into beta test dev. So let's check that out. So now, our beta testers can now check out our like the initial boot up sequence of our of our code, what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, this wasn't really any complicated thing since there was nothing in beta test dev at the time. But yeah, this is what it'll look like when you send out your things to your beta testers to see some glitch if there's any glitches or anything. So yeah, moving on. Now, after that, we started onto weather, and an early version of that looks like this, like when we created it. So let's check out that commit. As you can see, it's like we had little things, snowing, forecast lists, update the alarm by 30 minutes because it is certain weather. And yeah, you can see it runs the thing. Nothing really right now. Then we added a little more to it where we finished it. Here, let's check this out. Yeah, we changed it to where there was like where we went through every single iteration of our list, going through snowing, blizzard, icy rain, how much that will like change, how much it'll update by. You can see snowy, windy, blizzard, going through the iterations. And yeah, by the way, what we're running this on is PyCharm, which is an IDE, also known as an integrated development environment where we can code and compile these and basically see if everything's working right. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And anything updated here is also updated. Also can be pulled, pushed, and sent to our cloud. It's nice. All right. Then we added sleep and engaged our VRS system. So our sleep is basically just so we put like spaces in between our code. So like it'll take a moment before it boots up, simulating that as if it's checking for the weather. And we like finished it, made it better, added comments. This is what it looks like now. Yep, you can see the slight delay before it calls for the second part. So inside, VRS, drive safe. Then after that, we had ChatGPT optimize our code, which is very useful since it makes it more readable, makes it easier to digest, it makes it more efficient, it runs quicker. See, it does the same thing. It's just a lot less lot less code to look at. The iterations, and then after that, merged that right into beta test dev. So then you check that out. You can see we had our initial welcome branch, and then after that we added our weather branch. So you can see right under that, it's both. So sent that to the beta testers, fixed any bugs, it's all good. And so it's booting up. And then got their weather branch. Weather service has been updated. Weather service has updated our alarm by 10 minutes, which goes to the rating side, and VRS has been engaged, allowing us to drive 65 miles per hour. So yeah, cool. After that, data testers go through it, see if it's alright. Boom, we can send that into our main. Alright, then after that, finally, we went through and made our gasoline branch, which is where added our gasoline function. So let's show you what this looks like. This is another version. Basically, it'll say warn you if you're out of gas, you're low, quarter tank, and then it'll also tell you where your nearest gas station is. So it's telling me I'm out of gas, so it's calling AA, doing it again, and oh, that's weird. That's okay though, because in our next iteration, we fixed that. For example here, this is stabilized it. Oop, check out this commit. And now it's better. Elifs, changed all to printing, and you can see it now. Gas on courting. Checking GPS for the closest gas station is Shell, which is 44.9 miles away. So it's all good, all stable. Marathon and increment through it, we fixed it all. Half tank, plan to get to your destination. Alright, after that, fix the grammar, and then we added comments to make our code more, and made our code more efficient, and that was stable. So that's what this looks like, or that is what we're currently at right now. As you can see, looks a little better, more efficient, does the same thing, and yeah, looking good. So now that we've checked out all branches, we're all good. We have our welcome and both our weather branch into main, and we finished our gasoline. It is time to merge our gasoline branch into main, or into main. And the way we're going to do that first is we need to send it to our beta testers. Make sure it's all good, it's all stable, and the beta testers are going to run it. They're going to grill it. They're going to try and break it and see and tell us all the flaws. And so that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to merge gasoline into beta test dev. So click on beta test dev branch, and then from there what we can do is we can pick up gasoline branch and then just kind of drag it into there. Then you'll see merge gasoline into beta test dev. We'll click that. So after that, you see there's a file conflict amount it's empty merge. So see what's up. Let's look through. Alright, and then you see in terms of merging it, we have all our gasoline code in here, our weather code, and our welcome code. And we have a few stuff we need to get rid of. So scrolling down, you see there's all the stuff. Gasoline, we don't need that. So we can just press the delete key, get rid of that. Then scroll up. Don't need these imports, as we already have them right there. So we can just get rid of them like that. Then this was a little divider that it made for us to show where it inputted our code. Don't need that anymore, so let's get rid of that. And then this is the head. Don't need that, so we're going to press delete twice and get rid of that. So now let's insert our gasoline code in a better spot. So we're going to copy all of this and then press Control X, which is basically going to store it. And then right here we can press Control V, which will paste it. And now we have all of our gasoline code in a timely manner. So we're going to run it, see how that's going to go. It's booting up. And boom. Says gasoline branch went through. Gas tank is extremely low. Checking for the GPS for the closest gas station. Closest gas station is Shell, 5.3 miles away. And then National Weather Service updated alarm by 9 minutes because the ISA side VRS is being engaged, allowing us to only drive 35 miles per hour. So actually that does not sound like a fun time. And then you can go through all of the iterations of this, of which I have, which you can easily do if you want to save time. Just you can basically just like comment this out and then do that, and that'll basically take the while loop out of the code, and then I can just speed through what this is doing to figure out if it works. And so that's what I've done. I've ran through all the iterations of my code, so it's all good. Okay, so now there's no bugs, no glitches. It's working as intended. We can say to get Kraken here. That's what this is. Get Kraken. Get Kraken desktop. We can say that to here. Mark all as resolved, and then it'll make a commit for us. Merge branch gasoline into beta test dev. From there, we can commit and merge, and now it is going to say we have 11 to push. We're not gonna do that quite yet. First thing we're going to be doing is seeing that beta test dev is all good. And it's all been properly pushed and maintained. We are going to head to our main, and then we are going to drag beta test dev right to here, merge beta test dev into main, and now there are 12 things to push basically. And you can see as this like big branch goes all the way down. It's going all the way down to our main, to our branches, and so yeah. So it's now time to send this to our main people since it's all good. And so push origin to main. And boom, that's all good. Let's just clear this up right here. Push up to main, or push up to base test dev. Yeah, so now it's all good. And then now we have successfully pushed it all the way through. And so now that it's been a successful push, everything's all good. We can move on. So, by the way, you do not code in your main because that is basically what everyone sees. You code in your beta test dev, so then your beta testers can look at that, break that, and then you can fix that. So then you can send to your main, and then your general public can get their hands on it. So, okay, so let's move on to our next VM. All right. Windows. So, now that we have successfully pushed and done that whole schmingabob in Gitkraken and PyCharm, and now our gasoline branch is in our main. Say we want to go to the west coast, we need to pull that down onto our Windows computer. So we're going to be pulling up GitHub Desktop and Visual Code Studio. Alright. So, alright, in here, we are going to fetch the origin of our main. And it's fetching, it's looking, it's like, ooh, what's going on here? It's going. Yep, and now we can see it has stuff. It's like, oh, there's something new. Let's pull that down. And boom, merge branch into beta test dev, where we added all that stuff to our main. It's yep. As you can see, we're in our main. So, and it has all that stuff we just did right in there. So let's just go through the terminal, see if it's all working okay. This is a Visual Code Studio, by the way, which is another IDE or another integrated environment like PyCharm. It's just different. But yeah, you code here, run it, compile, it's all good. See, gas on how tank, it's colored, it's doing great, looking good. So, now that we've sent out our update, we're doing quite good, and it's going very well. Now, let me show you some other things. Let's look in my GitHub branches. So, yeah, this is basically like my backup. Like, if, say, Gitkraken failed on me, then I still have all of this stuff here. So, now let's check out this commit. Yep. And here. Alright. Checking out commit. And so you can see, what the hell? Alright, oh wait, oops. So you can see, open a Visual Code Studio. This is another early commit, same thing as Gitkraken. In my opinion, I prefer Gitkraken. I feel like it's a lot easier to go through. It's simpler. It's better in my opinion. But yeah, this is basically our backup here. We also got. So yeah, this is let's check out another one. Let's check out where he fixed the grammar. So check out this commit, create a detached head, and check it out in Visual Code Studio. Boom! Wow, it's looking good. Let's run it. Oh, clearly had some issues in this one, but it's okay because we fixed it in the next update. So, like, yep, made code more efficient, still better. Check out commit. Boom. Let's go here, open Visual Code Studio, and let's run it. Yep. Looking good. Gas tank is full. Yep, doing good. Alright. And so, yep. These are our backups. So, alright. Blistered main. Showed you all that. My backups. And, now. Okay. And now, we're going to head over to the internet and check out our GitHub. So, here it is, blackwidow.python file. In our main, we have all of the stuff. We just put it in. That's all in. People are currently testing that out, or not testing out. It's already been tested. They're using it now. You can see all our branches, the backups we had here, even here, in case everything just went poof. And it was all gone. So yeah, looking great there. And yeah, what you can also do here is like beta test dev. Say it was on a plane. I didn't like have this on my computer, but I needed to code. What I could do is I could edit this file, and then I could code here. Now it doesn't compile it for you, which is why it's not considered an IDE. But you can like do stuff. You can print. You can type in more stuff, add to your code, and that's pretty cool. It's changes. And so, yep, this show have it on GitHub, it's been uploaded, it's all good. And we also had backups here in case everything just boom, it was all gone. But yeah. Anyways, so now that we're done with that, let's head over to our Trello, our basically our like to-do list, what we were doing here. In here, let's go look at gasoline, merge and beta test dev and check iterations. Boom, all good with that. Did that, we're doing good. So move that to done. Boom, merge branches, merge gasoline beta test dev, merge best beta test and check put the merge gasoline beta test dev and iterations, merge beta test dev into main and check iterations. Boom, that's all good. So and put that done, and hey, we're done. Thank you all for taking the time to watch my introduction to program vlog. Some stuff I learned while taking classes at Gold Lake High School. Thank you for your time, and see ya.